Have you ever wondered if your roof has a social life? I mean, it's always out, exposed to all the elements, never gets a break. But how often should you, as a homeowner, be checking up on it? Is it secretly partying with the rain and wind when you're not looking? Well, RonOvations is here to tell you everything you need to know about giving your roof the attention it deserves. First off, an ideal rule of thumb is to inspect your roof twice a year. Think of it as a biannual catch-up with an old friend, your roof. It's best to do this in the fall and spring, before and after winter does its thing. Now, what should you be looking for when you're up there? 1. Shingles. Pay attention to the condition of your shingles. Are they curling or buckling? Are there any missing? If so, it might be time to invite a professional over. 1. Flashings. These are the metal pieces that cover curves and corners of your roof. Any damage or displacement here could lead to leaks. 1. Gutters. Your gutters should be free from shingles granules. A large amount of these could indicate your shingles are nearing the end of their life expectancy. 1. Moss and algae. If your roof is starting to look like a garden, it's a problem. Moss can cause damage to your shingles and even lead to leaks. 1. Chimney and vents. Check for cracks or damage. These are common areas where water can get in. 2. Interior inspection. Don't forget to check inside your home for signs of roof damage. Look for water stains or spots on your ceiling and walls. Remember, a regular roof inspection can save you from costly repairs in the future. And if you're not a fan of ladders or heights, don't worry. That's what professionals like us at RonOvations are here for. With just one call to 647-760-7663, we'll take care of your roof as if it was our own. So, in the spirit of keeping roofs happy and homes safe, why not share this video with someone who could use a friendly reminder to check their roof? And while you're at it, if you enjoyed this video, why not give it a thumbs up? Just like a friendly neighbor waving from across the street. And if you want to stay in the loop about all things home care, hit that subscribe button. It's like signing up for a neighborhood watch, but for your home. And remember, a roof over your head is a happy roof, so keep it happy, will you?